Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix FIFA 23 low FPS and lagging problem. It's easy if you want to fix it. First click here and then go to background apps. Just to free up your memory, turn off this option and then go to GeForce Experience, and then now once you're here, scroll down until you find FIFA 23, and when you find it, wait, let's take Tekken 7 as an example. When you find FIFA 23, go to details and then custom settings, this icon here, and optimize for, move it to performance just like that. Click apply, go back to FIFA 23 if that doesn't fix your problem. Move it again and click apply, and that's it. Just keep moving it like that until your problem is solved, and that's it. Then just click apply, and you can also enable this option in settings. Scroll down and enable image scaling, and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like. See you in the next video.